Hello everybody, so we're here again with another smoothie and kids video with Mariah Gibbs. Say hey Mariah.
Hey.
Okay, so today we're gonna come up with another easy smoothie, but this time we're gonna do carrots, baby carrots and spinach. We have veggies and frozen blueberries and strawberries. Will be our fruit. Very simple and easy. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna do is add the vegetables in here. So I'm gonna add my baby carrots. I'm gonna put those in here first, along with the fresh spinach. So we're going to do this first. Very simple, very easy to do. All right. So I'm going to let Mariah put the strawberries in. Here's fresh strawberries, so she's going to add those. So add the strawberries in. Good source of vitamin C. This will be a good source of antioxidants as well. And we have 2 veggies and we have 2 fruits. So, all right. I'm going to do the frozen blueberries. So y'all already know I like blueberries, and you know I do frozen. Makes it cold. So we're going to go ahead and put these in here. And last but not least, we're going to add a little water to it.
To give it the texture.
Not a lot, just a little bit. And make sure you put the top on. Always put the top
time.
Why you need to put the top on, Mariah?
So if you don't put the top on, it will just spray everywhere.
Everywhere. We don't want that. Okay, so let's get to putting on my NutriBullet. So y'all, we have our smoothie poured up and the kids are in. How does it taste, y'all?
Good. Tastes good.
So we got carrots, spinach, frozen blueberries, and strawberries.
It don't even have 2 of the different things that I don't like, and blueberry and strawberry taste good. So.
Okay, well Matthias, he's having a moment over there. He don't want to get in the camera.
No,
Thumbs up for you guys. Thumbs up.
Whatever.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Michael. All right. Kids and smoothies. Matthias, you want to say anything?
No.
Let me see.
No! No! Say
See y'all later.